Good morning, everyone. Ethan here, and we will now talk about the types and properties of inequality. So, what are inequalities? Inequalities are relations where a non equal comparison is made between two numbers or other mathematical expressions, comparing each one on the number line. Inequalities make use of the less than sign or less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or the not equal to sign. This bird's beak represents the greater than sign, while this bird's beak right here represents the less than sign. Now, what are the types of inequality? These are linear inequalities, which involve linear expressions, quadratic inequality, which involves a second degree polynomial represented as ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than 0, less than 0, greater than or equal to 0, or less than or equal to 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not 0. A rational inequality involves fractions where the numerator and denominator are both polynomials. Absolute value inequality involves expressions with absolute value signs, and compound inequalities use and or to combine two or more inequalities. Linear expressions in a linear inequality have variables raised to the power of 1. X plus 5 greater than 8, for example. Let us now go to the properties of inequality. In the addition property of inequality, if A is greater than B, then A plus C is greater than B plus C. Now let us go to the subtraction property of inequality. It states here that if A is greater than B, then A minus C is greater than B minus C. Transitive property of inequality. If A is greater than B and B is greater than C, then A is greater than C. Multiplication property of inequality. When C is greater than 0, then AC is greater than BC. Division property of inequality. When C is greater than 0, then A divided by C is less than B C. Multiplication property of inequality states that when C is less than 0, then AC is less than BC. And the division property of inequality states that when C is less than 0, then A divided by C is less than B divided by C.